Apple cider vinegar and honey, health benefits. The health benefits delivered by natural healers like apple cider vinegar (ACV) and honey are well known in the holistic health community. In a time where many people would prefer to reach for a pill or chemical to heal what ails them, others are researching natural ways to create the health they crave, or maintain what they have. All you have to do is listen to the staggering list of possible side effects for common prescription and over-the-counter medications to understand the very real need for natural healing methods, which don't offer the possibility of debilitating and dangerous reactions that are often more serious than the illness being treated. Will an apple a day really keep the doctor away? There is an old saying that suggests simply eating an apple every day can lead to overall health and wellness. The whole "apple a day keeps the doctor away" premise is based on the multiple positive health attributes associated with eating apples, especially as opposed to processed food. The soluble dietary fiber in apples can help lower high cholesterol levels, and the polyphenols in apples provide antioxidants which lower high blood pressure and prevent damage to cells in the pancreas. Eating apples can lower the risk of contracting type 2 diabetes and improve heart health. There are studies which show eating apples regularly can help prevent cancer and regulate digestive health, as well as treat inflammation, which is linked to most chronic diseases. When you take the apple superfood and turn it into vinegar, research shows you receive even more health benefits. A daily apple cider vinegar regimen can enhance your weight loss efforts and improve your skin health. You also receive all of the above-mentioned health benefits. With so many health gurus and experts telling you to drink a couple of tablespoons of ACV daily to improve so many health metrics, can you make this natural drink even more powerful by combining it with another well-known natural healer? Is this video being helpful? Then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Honey. Thousands of years of healing. As a natural sweetening alternative to unhealthy refined sugar, raw, unfiltered, and most importantly, unheated honey can't be beat. This natural energy source is packed full of antioxidants which lead to numerous health benefits. Honey promotes the healing of wounds and ulcers, and when you eat locally grown honey, studies show you dramatically reduce your risk of catching colds and flus. The health properties of honey have been well known for as many as 8,000 years, as evidenced by Stone Age cave drawings which show humans using honey for medicinal and dietary purposes. Can this ancient natural healer combined with apple cider vinegar deliver a powerful 1-2 punch to knock out particular health problems? The benefits of an apple cider vinegar and honey combo. Each morning when you wake up, make a healthy drink which combines apple cider vinegar, honey and water. This simple morning ritual, which should be practiced before you eat anything, or drink your morning coffee, has powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-fighting properties. It helps regulate a healthy digestive system, and quickly soothes pain and discomfort in your joints and muscles as well as your throat. The ACV and honey combo helps alkalize the body, bringing your blood back to a naturally healthy pH level. This means a daily morning dose of honey and ACV helps prevent and manage diseases, fights infections and illness by boosting your immune system, boosts your natural energy levels, and has also been linked to healthy weight loss if you are overweight or obese. This combination of natural health boosters delivers nutrients and vitamins such as pantothenic acid, niacin, folic acid, biotin, pectin, phosphorus and calcium, iron and magnesium, potassium, and a long list of B vitamins. You get significant quantities of acetic and citric acids as well. This combination can also eliminate bad breath, while effectively treating heartburn and acid reflux. The magic dose. How much apple cider vinegar and honey should you be drinking for so many substantial health benefits? The truth is, you don't need much of these proven health promoters to do yourself a world of good. In 8 to 12 ounces of water, add just 1 teaspoon of raw honey and 1 teaspoon of raw, organic ACV. Drink each morning at least 20 or 30 minutes before you eat anything, and weight loss, heart health, skin improvement and other very real health rewards can be yours. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.